my left-hand Savage BTVS 22 model. I'm shooting here at 100 yards, and I've been working on trigger control. I did a little trigger job on this rifle. It can be found on snipershide.com under the 22 rimfire section. High Fly 78 is my number in there. If you want to search for me, you can see it. I don't know very much about this stuff. I'm learning a lot, and I took a lot of advice from a lot of other people, and it seems to be paying off. The trigger used to have a little bit of a grind to it. Now it's actually pretty nice. Breaks at about 1 1/4 pounds now. Yeah, I'm somewhere around. I'll take it down and show you, but I'm around an inch to an inch and a half, I think, at 100. It's a dead calm day right now. I've got it sported on bags at the front and at the back, and I'm just shooting 5-shot groups. So here's 5 shots.